What's up? Yesterday, while riding in the Mustang, riding in, the engine light decides to come on, and it wasn't running as smooth as it usually does. So that's what I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna find out why it's not running as smooth, and why the engine lights are coming on. So I look down in the engine, and guess what I find? This is definitely not good. So that's a clear indication that I'm having misfire due to a spark plug. Kind of hard getting around in the brakes. Brake master over there. Find me another spark plug to replace that one. I've never seen this happen before. I don't know if you can see down in there, but the other piece fell down in there. I'm trying to reach it. That's definitely not good. So now, replace the spark plug. Always keep some of these around. You never know when you're gonna need a spark plug. Hey. Running smooth. Engine light still on, but Definitely isn't idling as high as it was. I don't think that's a problem. Also get to the ABS light. ABS light been on since I got the car. So figure out what ABS is too. Yeah. My first time ever seeing something like this. I've never seen this. Just this will cause that much of a problem. Being broke. Yep. So, yep. Well, that sums it up. Stay tuned till next time. Before I get off this thing, I want to say, um, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I only got 3 subscribers, but thank you. Um, like the videos and keep subscribing. Till next time, stay tuned.